Yes, I'm making another video on how to. I recorded the video and did it, but I have to do it again. It's too lazy for it. This video is based on how to file lawsuits. Every state have at least about 4 different forms of court. There's the small claims court that deal with of anything that's 5,000 and less, and small claims court have different meaning per state. Small claims is small claims. I mean, it's not that much money involved. Um, it's you can hire attorney. You're not needed one. It's small claims. It's you versus them. If you're not that good with warrant playing people, just hire an attorney. Make it sound simple. There's the forms you need to go to. What kind of lawsuit you're doing? There are some lawsuits at 5,000 and less that you cannot file a small claim. I know I've been in and out of court. I won 4 cases on my own court. I had to get another 2 attorney for my VA and other stuff to get those 2, and I'm still need to do another 10 lawsuits. Yep. I need to do at least 10 lawsuits. 20, 40 in this area. Yep. And stuff like that. And then there are cases after the 5,000 was the large claim lawsuit, which is more than 5,000. And that is, it's hard to say what's called district superior court. It can be the Supreme Court. It can be the superior district, county, local court, whatever. It's hard to say based on the states. The next one is the large claim is recommending you have an attorney, but there's a pro se packet you can get that you can file for yourself and represent yourself. And now it's hard to what level of these go to, because there are certain litigation or allegations that as a lawsuit you cannot go into certain courts that deal with a large claim. Then there's federal court, and then there's the Supreme Court, which one I'm trying to get to. Yeah, prick. Like I said, how I stand. And federal court deal with anything of the federal statutes that's been violated. These are laws of claims in 5,000. Actually, these are laws of claim around 50,000, and that's what I'm going to go to. BILP these people request. Still pro se as well, and you need a civil code sheet. Depending on if it's a civil federal lawsuit or federal declaration lawsuit or federal amendment lawsuit, is like a bunch of crap. And if you win or lose in a federal court, you can take it to Supreme Court of the United States or America in Washington, D.C. Thumbs up. For small claims court, you need to go to your state local court office and get a small claims packet. Some of these places are stupid. They give you a sample packet, not the actual packet. Now, I'm going to give you my advice now. I already told a bunch of people throughout the years of past 10, 20 years now, and filing lawsuits. You do not need to meet those guidelines. So if Clark County gave it back to you because A, they're racist, or B, stupid, and you just keep turning it in and go to their supervisor and say, this is right. They say, yeah, here you go. Pretty much. And these people talk about ban my stuff. I already hacked every computer in the area. Like I said, hack me. You're going to learn today. Legal like. All legal like, of course. Now, disclaimer, I'm not an attorney. I did take the paralegal school, didn't learn about more code, so take it as you want it. Disclaimer. After you find out what under statute that's been violated, and then what section that fall and what code that has been honored, you can find out if it's a civil, tort, litigation, whatnot. And then you need to go forward from there of what form or packet you need to sign in. And then after that packet, you sign it, you get all the paperwork, you get a fee waivers and all that stuff, summonses and subpoenas and stuff. And then there's whether you're incarcerated or not, whether you have an attorney representing you or not, or his attorney sign the paper. And then it's the next step. You go to court, blah, blah, blah. And then was this law claim or federal court or not? If you lose in federal court, you can take it to Supreme Court of the United States of America. And if you win, you can still take the Supreme Court of the United States of America, because when you sue for a lawsuit, if that one lawsuit you did not get because it does not follow under jurisdiction of the court, you won that court, you can still file another lawsuit, which is what I'm going to do after back to back. Watch this. You hear that? Like I said. As I said before, I'm gonna leave the form I'm using up for one of them, and I'm just gonna keep going. One of my lawsuits need a tort, and I need to send that in. Two of my lawsuits need a civil litigation, one need a litigation, and another one needs some other stuff. Yeah, and the other one need to be filed under fraudulent activity. These here need to be filed on harassment, organizational crime. Yep. Anyway, I'm out. I'm gonna leave the document to show you an example of what a form looks like.